Guys, I created this and these thumbnails in less than 10 seconds. Yes, you heard me right. Using these free AI thumbnail generation tools. Guys, this is good news. If you've been struggling with creating thumbnails here on YouTube, then worry no more, because after this video today, you're going to be creating perfect thumbnails, because trust me, thumbnails play a very good role in getting views for your videos. This video is going to come in very helpful for you as a creator here on YouTube. Okay, so if this kind of video you want to watch, please feel free to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and lastly share this video, drop your comments, and so that YouTube can actually push this video to other creators who are experiencing the same thumbnail challenges. That being said, my name is Jogbewe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I create videos about tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. So if this kind of video you want to watch, I have a full playlist that can actually help you get started and take your content creation here on YouTube to a very great level. Okay, take a look at this, guys. So this is me right here. This is the picture I actually sent to this software to create this particular thumbnail you're seeing. Guys, look at how good I look. It looks exactly like me. And to get started, you need 3 tools for this. The first is your smartphone, okay? The second is ChatGPT, and the last is your Chrome browser. This tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you 2 methods to get your thumbnail done, okay? Because I know that right now the question in your mind after seeing this particular thumbnail will be, what if I don't want to use AI generated picture of myself? You can still use your actual picture. Yes, that's the good news about this. You should be happy seeing this video right now, okay? So I'm going to be teaching you 2 patterns in this particular tutorial. First is for the AI generated photo of yourself, and the second is a picture of yourself, okay, where you get to put it in the thumbnail after generating. I'll just take you through the process. Guys, to get this done, the first thing we're going to do is to open ChatGPT, okay? First of all, you need to write a prompt for us. Guys, this is our ChatGPT. I'm just going to write to create a prompt, okay? Say create a prompt. Create a prompt for a thumbnail with the video titled YouTube tutorial, okay, and then send it. So yes, ChatGPT has given us a prompt. As you can see, it says a clean and eye-catchy YouTube thumbnail showing a person or character pointing at a large YouTube logo on a computer screen. So this is the one you copy. In order for you to copy it, just click on this copy icon, okay? The next thing you do is to go over to Chrome, okay? In this search bar, just click and search for image fx. Are you seeing this suggestion? Image fx dash labs.google/fx. Click on that particular one, okay? See, so open it. Then if you're a new user, it will ask you to register or to sign in. You can actually sign in using your Google account, okay? Sign in using your Google account, and then to bring you to this interface, okay? So this part is where you paste the prompt you copy from ChatGPT. Are you seeing this part where it says 3D render of a sentient cloud? This is just an example. So paste that prompt you copied from ChatGPT. So guys, this is the prompt to copy from ChatGPT. Just click on this purple button, okay, to generate your thumbnail. So in case if you want to add your picture, but AI generated picture of yourself, it will take you to write another prompt, okay? You can actually use this as your thumbnail for YouTube, but if you want to add your picture like that one I showed you just now, you go back to ChatGPT, okay? Are you seeing this part where it says plus? Click on the plus icon, okay? It means you can add your photo, because ChatGPT is asking you if you want the person to resemble you or not. So just scroll and look for a picture that you can actually add, okay? This was the picture I added before. Let me just click on this particular picture again to show you. So I've uploaded this picture, and then the next thing I will do is to write another prompt. I said create or write a prompt that looks exactly like this person in the image, so that I can maintain a consistent character, including curiosity-driven captions. I want to use this prompt on image fx to help generate a thumbnail for my YouTube video. The title YouTube tutorial, okay? So then I'll send it. Are you seeing it? I'll send it. Now wait for it to generate another prompt so that we can use it to get our image. All right. So now this is it. It has generated another prompt. Is describing how I look exactly. Okay. Now that it has described, you can copy there. While you are here, just go ahead and refresh. Scroll up. Okay, so it has refreshed the page. Before you paste this time around, just click on settings. Make sure this model is on best quality. And then the landscape mode, which is the 16:9 for YouTube thumbnails, right? Now that we have established that, go back to inputs, okay? Now that you have done the important settings, go ahead and paste. Click on create. So guys, are you seeing it? It has brought out a thumbnail. Look at how beautiful this looks. YouTube tutorial. Are you seeing it, guys? So if you want to download this thumbnail, you can actually use this button, this arrow button looking down. Downloaded. It has downloaded in my phone. So look at it here. You want to save it. If you are using an iPhone like me, you have to save it to files. But if you are using an Android, it will be right inside your files already. Click on save. And then you can actually change the name. Okay, click on open in. And then click on save to files. This is for iPhone users. It's a longer process for iPhone. Okay, YT, that's YouTube tutorial. Okay, and then I'll save it. So it's saved on my phone already. So if you want to see more of the thumbnail, just keep sliding. Okay, look at this. This is beautiful. YouTube tutorial. Look at this last one. Look at this last one. YouTube tutorial. Are you seeing how beautiful it looks? So another thing you need to do to retain this particular face, in case if you want to add it next time, you go back to these settings. Okay, this is where this seed comes in. If you are using an iPhone, it will be showing directly in the front. But for iPhone users, it will be in these settings. You see this seed that is opened. This padlock is showing opened. You click on close. Are you seeing it? When you close it, whatever prompt you write here, it will be exactly your face. This particular face that you're seeing. This is my AI generated face. Now, to add your own picture in the thumbnail, you can still use ChatGPT for the prompt, or you can still use whatever it is you have on your mind. So, for the sake of this tutorial, so it not be too long, I'll just go ahead and type, let's say, create a green and let's say a green and red cinematic background with a YouTube logo. Let's say with a YouTube logo. Okay, click on the purple button as usual. Are you seeing it, guys? Are you seeing the beautiful design it created? Look at this one. Are you seeing how beautiful it looks? Look at this one. Wow, this is really, really fine. Guys, look at it. So let's say we're clicking. Let me choose this particular one. Okay, let me choose this particular one. Just go ahead and click on download. Let's just save it as background and then click on save. This is the picture background. Okay, are you seeing it now? How do you make your face appear? You see this share button. Share it to your CapCut. Okay, click on share. Click on CapCut and then import footage to CapCut. Click on yes. Just import footage. Okay, now that we are inside CapCut, are you seeing it is exactly 16:9, which is normal YouTube ratio. What you're going to do is to add overlay. Are you seeing this part called overlay? Click on overlay. Click on add overlay. Go to photos. Just go ahead and look for any preferable picture of your choice. Your picture, actually the one you want to use for the thumbnail. Okay, let me choose this particular picture of myself. Then I'll move it to the side. Whatever side I choose, then I'll just make it a little bigger. Okay, and now look for remove BG. Click on remove BG. Are you seeing this auto remover? It's a pro feature, but when you're doing thumbnail, you can actually use any pro feature, because thumbnail you don't export it, you actually screenshot it. Okay, so you can use any pro feature you want. Are you seeing this? Click on good. It has removed the background. So I'll just go ahead and put this here. Okay, so I can write in my red side. You can still move it to the red, whichever one suits you. Okay, look at it. You can still move it to the red, but for this tutorial I'll just leave it here. So now I want to add a write-up. Are you seeing how easy this thing is making thumbnail? I'll just go ahead and write let's say YouTube. I like to use capital letters in my thumbnail. You should, because when you're creating thumbnail, you need a very clear and bold font. Okay, YouTube. Let's say I'll use this black. Okay, YouTube. Then stroke, I like to increase it to 50 so that the writings will be bold. Okay, then for the font, you can actually go ahead and choose whichever one suits you. Yeah, I like this particular one, and I already chose it. Are you saying it? YouTube. So now let's add the tutorial. Okay, so for this, we can actually change the style again. Let's say to yellow, or you can make it green. Now that you are done, you can just go ahead and play around with it. This is just a simple tutorial. Okay, I cannot really do everything now, but I'm just showing you how you can add your face. Then you can go ahead and screenshot. Okay, if you want to edit or adjust your picture, maybe your picture is not as bright enough, you can still go ahead and touch it. But go back to that screenshot and crop it out. Crop out the excess. Okay, crop out the excess. Crop out the excess. Are you saying it? And click on done. Save to photos. Okay, to make this tutorial very quick, I'm going to remove the watermark using a magic eraser. This particular one. Okay, then it's opened. You can download it from your app store, your play store. Click on this remove object. Click on that thumbnail we just created. Are you seeing it? And the option selected is this brush. So just brush it out with your hand. I didn't get it right. Just brush it out with your hand and click on remove. Are you seeing it? Click on next. Click on save. Saving. So you have saved this particular thumbnail. Are you seeing how beautiful it looks? So guys, you've seen how easy this is. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel to help the channel grow. Like this video, share to your friends and families, and drop your questions, your contributions in the comment section. To all my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.